Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates in crypto. Is Ethereum better than Solana? Or is Solana pulling ahead? Let's start with technology and performance. Ethereum processes around 15 transactions per second on its main network. Fees can spike to $5, $10, even $50. That's why Ethereum relies on Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base, which can handle thousands of transactions at a fraction of the cost. Now compare that to Solana. Solana regularly processes over 2,000 transactions per second, and in theory, it can go up to 65,000 TPS. Fees? We're talking fractions of a cent. That's why Solana has become so popular for payments, gaming, and consumer apps. The trade-off? Solana, it's both been less decentralized. It can go up to 65,000 transactions per second. Next, let's talk about ecosystem and adoption. Ethereum is still the king when it comes to DeFi and NFTs. At its peak, Ethereum held over 70% of DeFi's total value locked, and it continues to be the chain that institutions trust. If a pension fund or a Fortune 500 company wants blockchain exposure, they're probably starting with Ethereum. But Solana is catching serious momentum. It's now the home for some of the fastest-growing consumer apps in crypto. Visa and Shopify are integrating with Solana. USDC, the largest dollar stablecoin, has seen billions of dollars flow through the Solana network. And for NFTs, Solana has become a real competitor, hosting millions of transactions at almost no cost. Now here's where things get interesting. Revenue. For years, Ethereum dominated blockchain revenue because of high gas fees. But in several months of 2024 and 2025, Solana actually made more money than Ethereum. That means more fees were being paid and burned on Solana than on ETH, despite Solana's super low transaction costs. Why? Volume. Solana's cheap fees led to huge transaction numbers, especially in trading, NFTs, and payments. From a security and reliability standpoint, Ethereum is still the safer chain. It's more decentralized, more battle-tested, and hasn't had the reliability issues Solana faced. But Solana is innovating faster, and the revenue data shows that its ecosystem is maturing. Now, from an investment perspective, Ethereum has a market cap of around $400 billion, making it the second largest crypto asset. Many consider it the blue chip of smart contract platforms. A price target of $10,000 ETH in the next cycle isn't unrealistic. Solana, by comparison, has a market cap closer to $80 billion. That means if Solana reaches $1,000 per token, its market cap would still be less than half of Ethereum's today. The upside is higher, but so is the risk. So here's the bottom line. Ethereum, credibility, adoption, and security. Solana is speed, low fees, and right now, even more revenue. It's not necessarily about one being better than the other. It's about different trade-offs. Many smart investors hold both, Ethereum for stability and Solana for growth potential. So here's my recommendation. If you want stability, credibility, and long-term safety, Ethereum is the blue chip. But if you want growth, innovation, and higher upside, Solana is the play. Personally, I recommend holding both. Ethereum as the foundation of your portfolio, and Solana as the high-growth bet that could outperform. The bottom line, Ethereum is still the safer bet, but Solana might just give you the bigger payoff. So which one are you betting on, Ethereum or Solana? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dive breakdowns.